I just did a few things, but there are certain things I wanted to do in front of you. So this is the part. I've taken another shade of blue here. All of us have at least 3 shades of blue in the palette, so you just pick up one more shade which is lighter. So this I put here. So there is a little difference in the shades. Also, what I wanted to show was this part, the railing. This has to be very, very light and has to be done with a thin brush. You see, don't make the complete lines. You have to do half and half like this, so that it gives a further transparent look. So because I wanted you to see this part, because later on you may not have understood. So I have done it even more transparent, this particular part. Like this, okay? Then we just do the, this is also one thing that I wanted you to know, that this part has to be made carefully, because we have to leave the white of the door. It should not happen that when we are doing the outline, we cover the white. So this is the first layer of blue, and then we fill up these portions, you see. So the white is left. That's very important. See, so the door is visible now. Like this. Okay? Like this. So this is the thing that I wanted to show. The rest now I'll can complete it without anything that I am doubting that you may not understand. This is the window here. Again, leave these spaces in between. It's important to leave these spaces like this, and then lighter blue to do the outside. So it's giving such a you know, lovely look here. So I'll add little bit here also, this part, because it's an elevated pathway. So to show that elevated pathway, we just do the sides like this. So it starts giving the look that it is elevated. This I'll do with a very light color. As sun is falling over it, it won't be too dark, so I did it with a light color. Now we make the steps in the same way as we did the railing. Okay, so don't just complete the entire thing, don't make complete lines, that makes it look very unnatural. So what we do is we do just few lines, and in the last one has to be done like this, like this. Okay, so what I do is, to give it a more natural look, I've added little brown to the blue I was using, and only on the half side I'll add the darker portion. So you see, once we do one side dark and the other side light, it gives a more three-dimensional effect to the steps. And of course this side will be lighter, like this. See, okay, so I think this basic thing we have done. Now the most important thing that is left is the making of the shadows, which I'll do in my next video. Till the time, just finish this part, only then I'll move forward, because that is the most important part of the learning in this entire painting.